According to a Centers for Disease Control report, between the years 2015 and 2018, over 13% of all Americans 18 years of age and older were on some type of antidepressant medication. According to the World Health Organization, the United States of America ranks third for individuals that suffer from depression and anxiety. The antidepressant drug market brings in about $15 billion per year. Is Big Pharma profiting from Americans' depression? If so, do they really want Americans to be healed of depression? Or do they want to continue making such a big profit, which is expected to grow even more by the year 2023? Antidepressant medications have many potential side effects patients should be aware of, including
cardiovascular problems, kidney problems, liver toxicity, nausea, fatigue, blurred vision, erectile dysfunction in men, reduced orgasm in women, depression, and more.
But did you know that there's an herb that's commonplace in some parts of the world that has antidepressant properties that's really used as a seasoning, but you can make it into a tea? In fact, we grow that herb right here in our urban garden. Sometimes I like to call it our urban pharmacy. That herb is none other than Thai basil. That's right, basil. You can put it on your pizzas. Not sweet basil, Thai basil. You can put it on your pizza. You can put it in your salad and eat it raw. But if you want to use it for its medicinal purposes, the most effective use is to make it into a tea. That is Thai basil tea. Whoever heard of that, right? The other good thing about this tea is that it has none of the side effects of these antidepressant medications that you're going to be prescribed. If for no other reason, you could drink it daily just to have a refreshing beverage. And you won't have to worry about any of the negative side effects of antidepressants and anti-anxiety medication. I'm your natural mystic medicine man reporting for Natural Medicine News. Peace and guidance.